Okay, so am I live on YouTube, or where am I live? I'm trying out this. Like I just started my stream, and I'm gonna code along, and just do things as a developer and person who manages other developers. So I'll just work with WordPress, uh, and Laravel, and just in general web development, anything from A to Z. And I'm just gonna share my journey with everyone. And this is like the first random stream. Okay, I don't want to leave this. And if you have any questions or any things what I'm doing, or like I'm solving like WordPress redirect too many issue on the website right now. So, and I'm just gonna work on this kind of thing, how to solve this kind of error. Oh, it solved itself. But anyways, I have a recording of that on the previous stream. So if you want to check what I did to solve this fucking weird problem, scroll back. Maybe later on we'll do some, I don't know, whatever stuff. Whatever is interesting for you guys, because I don't know. I started a 14-day free trial on restream.io, and I mean, if it's gonna get traction, I'm gonna buy and pay them $50. If people are not interested in what I'm doing, it's okay. Let the market decide, basically. So maybe we'll create some kind of random code along cryptocurrency that we're gonna spin some crazy idea, because I'm all about like building websites and random shit on the internet and making fun and having fun while doing that, while trying to make some money. I'm trying to make money, and I'm open about it. And I mean, who doesn't like money? We can provide a great value on a lot of things. I want to see if I'm live on YouTube. So, okay, I think we're live. It's great. How do I change the title? Setup, title. I don't need help. How to share screen on YouTube live stream? The answer is use restream.io. If you ever need that, just do that. Very simple. And restream.io is very good platform to starting, very simple and spontaneous. Very simple and spontaneous something. Okay, so I need to share like this on like Discord of my students, because I also do like lectures on web development. So I mean, I'm a teacher also at the same time, but I'm not gonna teach on this channel. I'm just gonna do whatever I need to do, and you can guys join me along on this journey. And if there's any interesting topics and things we can discuss together, learn together, or do something interesting together, I'm all up about that. But this is not like an education channel. I'm just going along and doing things. Okay, Discord. So like we do have a student Discord. So maybe if we have enough audience in here, we'll have like our own Discord where you can, communicate and like discuss a bunch of shit about web development, because we have so many random problems, so many random cases that can happen in general. So it's stream. So it's a fun ride, nonetheless. So I'll just need some extra motivation. So I think having a stream just helps me to concentrate and do the work I need to do anyways. So yeah, can see my live stream on YouTube.
Having a stream just helps.
Yeah, I fucking hate my voice in general, so please don't send me like videos or anything of me speaking to me, because I will feel bad about it. But anyways, I do have a one viewer, so if anybody like wants to chat about something in the beginning, it would be great to like, I don't know, have a few words with someone. And while that happens, I'm just gonna do what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna code and do some shit. I was trying to install WordPress template for some fucking B2B wood website, which is a startup which I'm a CTO of. So you can see how a CTO of bootstrap startup works. I mean, I don't care. I'm open about how do I work, and we do some shitty things, we cut corners somewhere, we do something, but we get the shit done. And I mean, this live stream experience will help me to build a very good security layer on top of my websites, because I will need to use SSH keys and all of that kind of crap, so you guys don't hack. You don't hack my websites. And when you think about it, I had a dream. I had a dream about this stream I'm gonna do. Anyways, I'm gonna streaming for a while, like at least 2 or 3 hours, and because I need to deliver a product by the morning of this day. I'm in Lithuania, Kaunas, whatever. Doesn't really matter. If you want to check out who I am, I'll put the link in the chat. You can enter like my name, so you will find my website. If you want to like know what kind of like person I am. Add channel. What is this feature? Why do I need like channels and shit? Okay, YouTube. Okay, connect YouTube. So I already did this, or didn't I do it? Because I can see myself on YouTube. If anybody needs feedback about any kind of website or product or idea you're working on, so is that. But okay, so now I'm live 2 times. Like, what the fuck is this? Why some things are happening in this interface? I think I'll need to do a Twitter, because I think that Twitter is like good for that. Oh, okay, now I see. Update stream titles. Okay, so I want to update just the description, and this fucking description is like wrong. But okay, that I have like this save with like a very nice paste extension. It keeps track of your like clipboard history, so I'll be using that a lot of times during the day, because I copy and paste things like all day. Basically, this is my work: copy and paste things from one place to another, and can never lose track of like what I've copied, like what was the color code for like whatever random shit I needed at that point. So yeah, I'll just put my website link to fucking, it's not a gaming content, but we can gamify like live, but I don't want to be a gaming content. Gaming content, what? Children. I have opinions about things. So if you want to ask me something, I can give you like opinions. I have a 1 viewer, but fuck this shit. What do I want to do next? I logged into this WordPress dashboard and I figure out this stream and whatever keyframe interval, something. They think this is running. Screen is big, so sorry about it. Enter Live Studio. So I'm in the Live Studio here. What else can I do here? Like, let's go on the fucking Facebook. Let's go live everywhere. I don't care. Because I want to like see the traction of this thing, and I have nothing to hide. Just do whatever. Add source, local video. So I don't want to play a video from my computer. How do I fucking go live everywhere? Because this is a simple and a nice thing. Setup, dashboard, channels. Oh, okay. I need to go back to this. Great shortcut, Shift Command T opens like the thing you closed before. So if you accidentally close, you can actually go back, because I don't want to figure it out. How do I go here? Okay, first of all, Twitch. Twitch is okay. Twitch is okay. Trash metal, do I have? No. Okay. Reset your password. Okay, so I fucked up my password like a lot. Like, my password is most insecure password ever. But this will be a great opportunity to figure out the like cybersecurity side of my life, and I can share that journey with you also. Because managing fucking passwords, it's a nightmare. Like, you know what I mean. Okay, and let's put like my website on the side while I'm doing this, so like you can analyze, and while I figure out my password, you can visit the website yourself, but you can see what I'm doing and what is my responsibilities in life, so you can understand what kind of streams we're gonna have and things like that. So yeah, studio, I think I think I'm gonna stream the studio because maybe the restream guys maybe wanna see my user feedback, and what the fuck, whatever, sponsor me. I'm like the best target audience you can imagine me. I just have a very specific business case, and I just want to stream. Maybe I'm gonna stream like, I don't know. I'm gonna fucking stream. I'm gonna stream a lot. I'm gonna create a hackathon, and it's gonna have a live stream. So it's actually a good time to start investing in the live stream, and let's see where it goes. But I see a lot of dots connecting in my life right now. So I definitely think this is gonna be one of the new activities I'm gonna introduce in my daily life. As long as I have, I don't know, 50 viewers, I'm happy. If I have a 50 viewers at any point in the next 14 days, I'm gonna stream on and off whenever I'm working, probably usually at night, because during the day it's just a mess. It's just a mess in the office, and you can't do any actual development there. Meetings, discussions, and concepts. And at night we do development. This is what I do, and this is what is my life. So welcome to join along if you're interested. Twitch. We can go on Tinder later on if we get bored of doing business stuff, but let's try not to get distracted.
So you're choosing
login. Okay, so this is my like fucking login, trash metal. Okay, like let's embrace it. I want to reset my password on my main email. I'm gonna fucking reveal it and send me any spam. That means I'm popular. And what's my username? This. Paste comes in handy here. Send my password. And I'm gonna open my email on a second screen, and it's gone. So let's create a new Twitch account, I guess. So today is days of creating like shit. I would actually like to get done some work. So I'm just AIM. Okay, and it's not good enough. So AIM Solutions. I'm a fucking AIM Solutions. I solve your problems for like what I do is solve problems. And yeah, sure. Try to get my most insecure password that I use everywhere. If you just enter this email to like fucking like black net database, you can find this password. Let's see how long it takes for this to happen. I hope it's not gonna be too bad, but then we're gonna have another live stream about the incident, what to do when your email gets hacked. Okay, I gotta get some shit to verify. Okay, verification code. We have it here, 712157. Okay, what the fuck? 7121557. Thank you. And I'm gonna go live on fucking everything. They say like go like repurpose your content. So I'm gonna stream everywhere. Like I'm gonna try out.
Try to do whatever they're
Fuck
learning.
this talking. What is this side talking to me? Okay, so now I need to go back to Restream and like, where is my fucking channels? I work with this many tabs, if case you're wondering, all the time, and I have a multiple desktops to switch between the products and different activities. And we're gonna dig into a lot of project management stuff and like some like workflow optimization tactics, how we can do things more efficiently. Because I mean, at this point, I've accepted the idea that a lot of shit needs to be done. So my goal is to figure out the way how to get shit done more efficiently, because I don't have any other way right now. Maybe when the live stream business kicks off, I will be able to don't do it for the money and just do it because I like it. But right now, it is what it is. And where is the fucking Restream Studio? I had it. So this is not what I need. Discord, I don't need. Discord, I don't need. As a lecturer, I'm gonna start working with some fucking sponsors maybe. So maybe we can arrange something like that. I will build this up. I have a lot of ideas, and you can join along the ride on all the shit I build in my life. We gonna fucking do also hackathons. Hackathons probably. I think we're gonna do some remote hackathons, but I want to do real hackathons with good prizes and like to raise the quality of hackathons we have in Europe, in Lithuania specifically at the beginning. But my goal is to improve the hackathons efficiency and everything. And what the fuck I was doing. So it's good to have some viewers so they could remind me what the fuck I was trying to achieve. I'm trying to achieve like the fucking channels cancel. Okay, Studio Restream. I need another tab of Restream to manage my channels, because if I'm gonna fucking close this tab, the stream is gonna be over. Feedback loop, not good idea. Please, like, you can add a simple if for that. So maybe if you need like some UX questions or challenges, I can consult you about user experience. I've like built like too many shitty websites to know all the bad things you shouldn't do. I don't know if there's the best way how to do all of the things in the current approach how web is built, but I have some new concepts how I think web can be changed, and this might also be an option in the future. YouTube, blah blah blah. I think I'm gonna start blaming algorithm. I'm gonna start blaming algorithm on the first stream I ever do, because I have no fucking viewers. Do you think I'm not interesting enough for one viewer in the random world country? They pay me money for like giving lectures. Okay, let's stream on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is fucking interesting thing, something new. Let's try. How does live streams works on LinkedIn? So you see, we're just gonna try, experiment, test, review, develop, and do everything in between. Apply for live broadcasting. Okay, so I cannot do it like straight out of the box. Review live video access criteria. Okay, so I'm like, okay, I'm selling my soul to you, whatever. If you believe, you can submit a request. Okay, so like LinkedIn enterprise bullshit out of the way. I hate all of the enterprise like IT shit also, but yeah, I just try to stream on LinkedIn and I can see that like I do have all of that. So okay, what is that? Alternative email. Okay, alternative email is this. I'm like, I want to stream like as a person. Yeah, I'm a person. I'm not my company during a live stream. I just do too much honest to act as a CEO in this live stream. What is a URL of LinkedIn profile? Okay, that I have it here because I always needed fucking hell personal profiles, LinkedIn link, and I just copied that. This is why I built my website like a mind map, because I just built it for myself, because I need to copy all of the shit 5 times in a day. So I just have this as a notebook for myself, and it's good as a personal website. Win-win situation. Yes. I didn't do it, but I'll pretend I'll submit a 2-factor authentication. And please enter first page LinkedIn profile user. I don't have any admins. Like, me want to stream. Like, I don't know any other people. Okay, now I have 2 people in the stream. And if anybody has like anything want to ask in the chat, let's check if anybody's chatting. Activate the chat. So where, like, if you're asking something in the chat, I don't see it, but I'm trying to see how I can see it.
If anybody's chatting.
Oh, fucking hell. Okay. So now, like, I'll just leave this on the second screen, which you don't see, and I'm gonna read the chat here. Because on the restream, I think it says like chat overlay. What? Oh, okay. So I can add a chat. But like then the screen is even smaller, so I don't want a chat overlay. Activate chat, enable channels here, add channel. So okay, LinkedIn is way too like complicated and it's in beta. So where the fuck we can stream more? What the fuck is Telado? Telado is like a local phone like thing. Like how I can stream on Telado? What the fuck service do we have? We're gonna check later on probably, just because. And fucking Facebook. Facebook is a fucking machine of the live streams. Let's see how much audience we can gather, and let's see where this goes. But fucking Facebook is like, everyone is on mobile, and this experience is for desktop, to be honest. And I don't think it's gonna be engaging, but just for now, to test if we can gather more audience, we'll see what goes on if we stream on Facebook. So we're just improvisation, you know. Okay, so I have 2 people who are viewing there, and yes. I don't want to add a profile channel anymore. Where was my Facebook streaming journey? So okay, I keep losing it. Okay, I keep losing it. We need to play some music also. Facebook Live, connect Facebook. I agree with everything you want, and I don't want to post on my friends. I want to post publicly. Add a channel, stream to a personal profile. Okay, I do have like a bunch of profiles. Let's stream to personal profile because this is EIM, not something else. Leave, and it refreshes. And why do I have 2 Facebook channels right now? Because I think I've started it twice. So remove channel. And this YouTube channel also remove. Let's not make a mess out of it. And can I reorder this? Because LinkedIn is not gonna happen anytime soon. Okay, and now we should be live on Facebook also. So let's go check it out, how it looks. Oh, this is one of the clients who sells the most ridiculous shit. I create a shop for like selling these like fragment, like small pillows. So yeah, like I do a lot of e-commerce. I work with diapers. I create like websites about diapers. Like my best client, the one I like working most with, like a very reasonable and very good people, is like this website. I mean, I look at the like diapers and like all this kind of stuff during the day. And I mean, it's a part of the job that has to be done. And if you, this is created by WooCommerce. So we're gonna do like WooCommerce, Laravel, WordPress, and everything in between to like make things happen, you know, like get clients and shit. Okay, I don't want like $50 credit or whatever. But I can see my live stream here, and this is great. So I think we shared our stream long enough right now, so people will come from somewhere, and I think I'm even live on Twitch. Yeah, I'm live on Twitch. So let's go check how do we look on Twitch. And if all of that works, Restream is like the most amazing service you can get if you want to do a stream, I can say. I've just set up all of this stream on Facebook, on fucking Twitch, on YouTube, like in what? How long is it? 22 minutes. Okay, so it's not that fast as I imagine, but it's fast enough. And what I'm on Twitch, channel on Twitch, and what I'm on Twitch. Okay, and shut up. I don't want to hear myself. On Twitch. Theater mode. What I'm on Twitch. Okay. Fucking feedback is gonna be awful. Sorry about that. We don't have a perfect microphone right now, but we're gonna get it eventually, maybe. Okay, so the channel looks nice on Twitch. Probably I should update like at least the picture. So I mean, this is just a work along channel, live coding session. So I'm just doing what I'm doing, and I don't care if you like it. If you're interested, you can watch it. Okay. How do I? I downloaded my picture at some point. Oh, this is my screen when I work with mind maps. We're gonna check how do I work with mind maps also during the day. So feel free to check it. Best example of my mind map workflow is my website. So it's in the description. So if you wanna check it. Too bad I cannot track analytics on this Xmind embed, but whatever. We're gonna work with Google Analytics and all of this kind of stuff. Okay, this is my picture I want on Twitch. Let's use the same picture everywhere. A reasonable picture. It looks better than my face in the real life right now. So that's great. And like on Twitch, like if anybody gives like me some money, fuck this shit. I can do this all day. I like if you like me streaming, I can do this all day because this is literally what I do. And there's nothing more else than that. So what the fucking local politicians are saying doesn't really matter. Algorithm is trying to fuck our brain anyways. And okay, so let's see. Once again, I'll restream dashboard if everything is okay, and we're gonna dig into the work. Digging into the work is the most fun part, and we have like 4 viewers, but I don't know how I can track a chat on all of those things. How do I see a chat and like, because it says activate chat, please enable channels here, but I have channels. And if I refresh it, does it end? I hope not. Okay, so I hope the stream is not gone. I just reconnected, and I think I can see the chat from everywhere right now. So that problem is solved, to be honest, which is great, because I mean, amazing props to Restream guys. There's like a 2 user experience issues in the whole workflow. Like that thing that I had to refresh after creating the channels. But that makes sense. It's a tricky thing to get. And I can add a background music, definitely, because I'm like fucking like pissed off of my voice. But like, can I stream like my music? Because like I want to stream some, maybe like, I don't know, like some rap music and then some metal and whatever is on that moment. So let's see what is like classical, the fucking pop. Like we can play like Katy Perry, but like it's not gonna pick up the sound from my computer if I'm gonna do that. So let's try, I don't know, can anybody what kind of music do we want while we code? I don't care. Literally any of those works for me. Let's do a hip hop. Okay, what is this shit? Okay, so what if I add, okay, I can add like a third-party stream. Use case examples, RMTP source. So I need to set up OBS and all of that kind of crap. So I'm not gonna do that. This default music is probably okay. Let me know if there's no echo and stuff, and let me know if it's not too loud or something. I don't know how long I can keep listening to this, but we will see. We will see the challenge. Like, how long do you think I can listen to this stock music? Because I have my opinions about music. Like, we can discuss about it later on. Okay, we're live. We have 3 people, like 2 people on YouTube and 1 person on Twitch, which like out of those 3 people, 2 of them is I. So we actually have a 1 viewer. So because we have a 1 viewer, I want to do a Twitter. I'm gonna send a props tweet to Restream guys because it's an amazing service, and maybe Twitter is a good platform to announce ourselves about whatever we are doing here. And yeah, just working, and I want to change my picture, like let's make everything consistent. Brand awareness, because I like to work with people about building personal branding tactics. So you can discuss about that with me. If you ever want to talk with me, you can like book a meeting on my website with my Calendly and my calendar, and that's a fucking good user experience and very basic and simple one. So I really like it, and personal branding can be applied very well in a lot of life situations. Okay, so this is the same person, professional web developer. I don't like wanna, so web development enthusiast. But I just love doing it. I don't give a crap. HTTPS. So let's promote our personal website. The more people come to that, the more people. Date of birth doesn't matter. And I want to fucking do the same Facebook cover. Let's fix our online presence before becoming an internet star, which I don't really have a lot of interest in becoming one, but this just gives me a good motivation to work and focus on what I need to do. So, and if anybody finds this interesting, we're gonna see where this goes. And this is literally no expectations and no nothing. But like having a good online presence and using tools like Canva. Canva is a great thing to organize like all your like things in general, like logos and makeup, like presentation or a proposal. I made a very great proposal on Canva the other day. It's something like that. You can check it on the side, how it kind of looks more or less, while I'll do something else. And great, so the last tweet I ever did on Twitter, what is it right now? It's wanna become famous. I don't want all this fucking stream fucking bots and everything, but okay, like more bots, more viewers, that means like we have a better traction. So I want to share what? I want to share my YouTube live stream, because now I have like what, 4 live streams. So I don't know to what I'm gonna focus on, but this is basically a test. How many viewers I can collect out of nowhere. I don't have any audience. I don't ever did anything online, and I don't have any audience. And let's see how many people on which channel we can attract the most. So this is where we're gonna be streaming. So a decision-based, kind of data-based decision making, and let's see where it goes. I'm not gonna talk that much all the time when we're gonna start coding, but which is great. And I actually want to change my stream picture. Like, how do I change graphics? Okay, graphic, news, rounded, like primary color, blue. It's okay for me. Logo. I don't want any logo. Overlay, restream. What the fuck is all of those overlays? So bad overlays. Doesn't fit. Oops. Advertisement. Yeah, I can. Default advertisement. So a product review of Restream.io. Background. Okay, background, fancy background to visually disturbing. We don't have a lot of space for the screen anyways, because it's a fucking giant screen. And you literally don't really know probably what I'm doing too well if you're on mobile device or whatever. But this is a desktop experience, and this is what works for me. Oh, this nice blue wooden panel. I don't know, what does it give? I actually want to do picture-in-picture, so it's gonna be bigger. Okay, and the blue wooden panel, yeah, works. But how do I change? How do I change the thumbnail? How do I change the thumbnail? Chat overlay, awful setting. In this case, destination, unknown, and edit video. So I can edit this. Oh no, what the fuck is this? Okay. Where is my YouTube? This music is alright. I have too much energy today. I don't want to sleep, so I'm gonna stream. Oh, that's nice. Edit video. And it has a fucking... So, like, my initial question, I don't need any more help. Restream is the answer. https kasperiunas.com. Fucking weird surname for a foreigners probably, but it's okay. So let's make this a thumbnail. I think it looks nice. And this is our live stream. And we have 3 viewers, which is probably all of them are basically me. So it's not so easy to get popular on social media, as they say. But let's hit the Twitter with our YouTube link, and let's see what does it give us. So real-time marketing tactics. What I like to do, I like to build dashboards. So my company website is just a one dashboard of what we do. So if you're interested, and basically I'm gonna work on my company on this live stream, so you can see what I'm doing here, so you can understand what I will be doing on my live streams. And I'll just gonna stream my company. Like, probably somebody's gonna be interested in that. I don't know, Gary Vaynerchuk stuff, but like hacker edition. Yeah, why not? Okay. So we're making a break, probably because I'm like fucking like annoyed by that we don't have any viewers. Current subscribers. We have 5 subscribers. I don't have any goals. How do I get my video link? How do I share it? So like, add sources, settings, high definition, blah, blah, blah. How do I share this on something? Private chat. Hello, everyone. And I'll make in a chat a message. Hello, everyone. If you are interested in my web development company, journey. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Let me know if you have any questions. So it will be very interactive and very interesting for me just to interact and chat with somebody a little bit. I'm a sociable person. I like to talk a lot. Most of the people say I talk too much. And the live stream, I interrupt people all the time. And on the live stream, I don't fucking need to interrupt anyone. I'm the one who decides what I want to tell. So we're gonna keep a record of this. So even though I don't have viewers, but if anybody's gonna scroll back, like what was the first live stream of EIM? So it was that, trying to figure out the stream and how do I fucking share the YouTube video link on Twitter. Tutorial 101. So yeah, I do have this. Now I'm on Twitter. I want to tweet to Restream first. Restream. Okay. Restream. And yeah, let's just follow them. And how do I use Twitter? I'm like I don't know Twitter. I don't use Twitter. So how do I like tweet it in a good way? Like, so hey, it's address, like Restream, like a great product, great something, you know, check out our live stream. I think it's a good marketing tactic for this bootstrapped live stream of trying to go for our dreams, my dreams. I'll go for my dreams specifically, and I have some dreams, and I'll just show along my way how do I reach my dreams. My dream is not to become a streamer, but I'm just gonna share it because maybe it's gonna be interesting for someone. So what is my YouTube URL? Okay, so this is YouTube URL. What do I tweet? Tweets and replies, mentions, something, what? Turn off retweets, add, remove retweets, copy, mute, no. Tweet. So I'll just tweet at Restream. Okay, great. Testing out your product while doing my live stream. Great user experience, guys. Keep doing what you are doing. And let's just here, and I'll just put some self-advertisement in this, like of my picture, like whatever. Let's get some exposure. We want to build our personal brand, so let's put the picture into the tweet to make it more engaging. And what, like now it goes viral in what, in few hours. This is what people expect nowadays in all the social media and shit. And yep. Now I think we're good. And to be honest, I think I need a break because we've been going for an hour and I don't have any viewers on me. So it's a great way to take a break and break timer on the screen so you know when I'm back. And yeah, save yourself and break, time for a break, download, break timer, Mac OS. Okay, great app, another app recommendation. I'm gonna put like all of the app recommendations I have somewhere. Just let me know what would be interesting option for you, where it's comfortable, like maybe not a Stack Overflow, but I've started using Stack Overflow, the most amazing thing in the world, right? You can create your own themes. So I use Stack Overflow with my students, and we can ask questions there. And for karma, I'm gonna invent a fucking random cryptocurrency, and we're gonna get money for asking questions about web development. Who says that's impossible? I think it's possible. This has more validity than, and not validity, but what is it like? More backing and more value than the actual Bitcoin or whatever, because it's backed by knowledge, you know, people knowledge. Yes, open something, and we're taking a break right now for a few minutes, and I'll be back soon. And yeah, this is the first live stream I'm ever doing something. So while I'm on a break and you want to understand what is happening here, just like rewind a few minutes. Okay, I downloaded break something app. It's still going, loading pretty slowly, so I think it's not optimized for an M1 Mac. But okay, let's see how it goes. Seems like a nice, simple, okay, it's an open source. It's very open source, very nice. And to be honest, I wanna give $1 to them because it's just an amazing tool, solves my problem and everything, but they're not a GitHub sponsor. So I wanna reach out to them and say, hey guys, I want to sponsor this, and please make sure you are like available for sponsoring on the GitHub, because I don't want to do like PayPal, whatever. It's like very nice to do like on the GitHub. And how do I do that? Do we have any like outreach channels? GitHub and Tom Watson. And Tom Watson, he has some nice applications. I like this guy. Can I reach him like on Twitter? No, it's not on Twitter, LinkedIn and GitHub. Okay, guy from Spain. Okay, that's great. Let's drop him a follow. He has some nice open source repositories. I'm all about like supporting open source movement and doing like things openly and transparently, as you can see from what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna reach out to this guy to give him like GitHub sponsorship like request. They say, hey man, like, can you make a way for me to pay some money for you? Basically, right? I want to get like $1 a month for maintaining this app because he's a main contributor, and I'm just gonna reach out to him on Twitter, I guess. Let's try to master Twitter. Oh yeah, thank you, random man on the internet. You're the first one with the actual real life stuff, and yeah, I think this can go somewhere. And you're like random man on the internet. Like this is the best name for the first viewer to get ever, you know. So very happy that you are joining. So I'm just compiling a message right now to Tom J. Watson, and let's give him a GitHub link so he can just, hey, can you make that it's possible to sponsor your amazing free tool, repo on GitHub? So you can retweet and give us some shout out, random man on the internet, for example. So maybe you can get sponsored, not sponsored, seen faster. I'm not looking for any kind of sponsorships, but you watching and interacting with me is the best sponsorship I can expect. And this is the way how we do things. So okay, now I want to give him money. I don't ask for money, I give people money on my stream. It's like a reverse logic, right? Mr. Beast gives like money to streamers, and I'm the streamer who gives money. I don't know. Maybe it's a common practice. I don't know a lot about streams. Break timer for live streams. It's amazing. Maybe it's amazing, but I think. Oh, okay. Now I have here settings. Here, I press on it, nothing appears. So this could be improved a little bit. Maybe some Sunday night we will work on this program and make a pull request to improve the user interface, right? Because I think it's a good tool. Maybe this is something we can contribute to. One small thing at a time, you know, and this is how we do things. Break frequency. Oh, okay. So this is an app not for that. It's like to take breaks while you're working, but I wanna like a nice break countdown. Okay, so now it has like time for a break. Full screen pop-up. Okay, clicking the start notification, end break, play ongoing sound customization, time for a break. EIM is taking a break. I will be back shortly and keep creating stuff on the web. Yeah, primary color, I wanna maybe a blue color. I don't know, it's kind of my color I rock with. Usually when I don't want to make a too big decision on like safe choice for me, maybe otherwise it's pink. I like a pink color also. So yeah, what the fuck is the sound in the office? I'm alone. Outside of working hours, disabled. Settings. So how do I start a break manually? Breaks enabled. System. Start a login. Reset. Working hours. Enable working hours. So okay, I just want like start a break immediately, which is I think like a little bit different than the idea of the thing, but okay, so there's no break timer right now, but one of the things we might work after that to see how we can just simply actually trigger, just make a button, because I mean, what is this written with? Break timer app. So okay, so it has like all of that crap, but I hope that it's like something like a JavaScript. View TypeScript. Okay, so this is TypeScript and initial commit, whatever, localhost, something. So it's possible maybe just to work like for 20 minutes on it, I think, and we can introduce the button for the app. I'm not sure like about the whole build process. What do we have? Because I mean, it's like an application looking for contributors. Please get in contact. So definitely, I mean, this is stars aligning perfectly. I'm just gonna live stream while implementing some things for this package. So yeah, let's become a watcher of it at least to understand how these people are working. And now I'm literally taking a break, and I'll be back to check out where are we going next with all of that stuff. So see you soon. Like timer, I don't know, 7 minutes. 7 minutes is okay. As long as this runs out, I'll be back. And it's fucked up. Bye. Bye. Goodbye now. So hello guys, I'm back from the break. Thank you Random Man on the internet for another comment. The project I'm working on is procentas.lt, and right now it's inaccessible, but it's a peer-to-peer lending platform. And if you want to see how it looks right now and where we are, and we gotta reach a production state from all of this mess by the end of the week. And this is the goal. And actually, I think to improve the stream experience a little bit, I'm gonna do a to-do list of what I'm gonna do. So if I'm gonna work on the server migration for WordPress, so you can know that you can tune in for a server migration for WordPress. If I'm doing like a Laravel something, I will work to integrate a Sarah wallet API for a P2P lending system. So right now we are creating like this system. We have like a whole investor dashboard and stuff. What we want to have by the end of the week, better product than this. So it's like literally we have to go like from this dashboard, which lacks a lot of like implementations of a lot of things, to be honest, right now. So we will be doing CRUD models, user interface, databases, backend, all of that kind of stuff. I work alone on this more or less. I have a great teammate, and I think maybe even it would be interesting if there's two of us who are coding and doing things. And basically, I think we can make this like also ask any question while I'm working, ask any web development question while I'm working. So I'm gonna actually make this a title, and let's see if the restream is capable of that. So okay, ask any web development question while I work. Live coding with EIM, and description is the website address. I think it makes most sense, and update all. And let's see if this is a better title, and if we can get more viewers than that. And yeah, Random Man on the internet, great story on everything we do. And this is our game plan, what we will be working on today mostly. We need to make this to be fully functional, probably tested at least at some point with Cypress testing. I use Cypress testing for like testing user stories and all of that kind of crap. So it's like great tool. It's like Selenium, but like real-time Selenium, like Selenium with live reload. And it's a great tool. And we need some audience. So let's see about Cypress, and let's see what can we sponsor Cypress on GitHub. No, I can't sponsor Cypress on GitHub. So let's reach out to them as, hey, can I support your GitHub repo? I don't want to pay for pricing for like minutes and shit. I don't use a lot of that stuff, but I want to support the development of overall platform. And so let's do it. Let's ask Cypress. Let's see on Twitter. Cypress. And what is it like? Cypress.io. And I don't find it like Cypress Hill. Like it's a good band, but I want to find Cypress right now. Okay, Cypress.io. Drop a follow for them. And let's tweet. Hey guys, would you mind enabling GitHub? And let's like GitHub sponsorships on your repo. And yeah, let's keep it natural and organic. And I want to post my like live stream coding shit on Twitter. Ask me any web development question as I work on dreams. ask me anything as I work. And as I work, and what do I put? I had a mine in Word. I had a mine in Word as I work, and yeah, and watch me do it. Yeah, so I'm very like Nike person. I agree with the approach. Just do it. Like, just sit down, write some code, and just do it. Talking about just doing it. Okay, we have a studio here, and it's not so easy to get your first viewers, I would say. I was streaming for an hour, and I was expecting to have like maybe like 10 or whatever. Even like I posted it on Facebook where like a lot of people like just doing nothing and like watching live streams or something, but it doesn't work so easily as you would expect. So yeah, great. So somebody liked it on Facebook. That's good enough. That's good enough. I mean, I need to make it public, to be honest. Public. Let's make it public, and I know a perfect group where to share it. There's amazing like group on the WordPress, on the Facebook. Share to a group. Lietuvos webo profesionalai. Webo profesionalai. Those guys are trolls a lot of times. Watch me work. And those guys are trolls, so a lot of times like they start saying, oh, you do things in a shitty way or whatever. I'm not perfect. I know some shit. There's a lot of shit I don't know. I'm gonna post it because it's a target audience, and like right now I'm just trying to see how much traction I can get with all of this. And watch me work and answer any web development questions while doing it, inspired by Povilas Photo. So this guy is really great. He's a lot of inspiration. He has his own YouTube channel, and if you want to learn web development or anything, you can check that guy out. His channel is like what? Laravel Daily. Okay, so he has like 61,000 subscribers. So he's way bigger than me. So it's a good marketing tactic to give it a shout out. Let's see how that works. So yeah, I've shared something. Let's see what kind of traction it gets. And we're streaming on a great service, Restream.io. So I was able to set this stream in like, I don't know, 10 minutes, and now I'm figuring out how to get a few viewers, and then we're gonna work and do some web development shit. So this live stream is gonna go a long way into the night, so feel free and join for the ride. I think I can see the chats of you, so if you want to ask or talk about anything, I'm ready for that also. Yeah, it's weird to imagine that I'm talking like to one person probably right now in the world, but I don't know, I'll talk all day, and people say I talk too much. On streams, I guess you have to talk, and I don't give a fuck. I'll just forget that we have a stream, but if I'll forget I have a stream, don't talk. I will see where it goes. So yeah, we did some great Twitter marketing for our stream. If anybody wants you to go and like it or upload it, I'm gonna I love what I'm doing here right now. So I like myself. I don't give a fuck. And yeah, this is where we are. We have like 4 viewers, so we're hitting the record. Like the advertisement on the Facebook group worked very well. Let's hope we will reach the far corners of the world soon also. So if you want to retweet or help this stream to like move forward a little bit, just do something. I don't know. I don't care about all of that share and subscribe stuff. But right now, I think we're gonna start working. We gave all the compliments to Timer Break app, so I don't want to work on this right now. But we have to put it on our road list. And what I want to do is actually to make this interactive. I use mind maps a lot in my work. So there's actually like a very good online mapping tool. Xmind, it's amazing. Like it's the best. I've tried all of them. It's the one and only mind map. So let's call it like AIM stream, like mind map for all the streaming stuff, because I need to keep track of something at some point, you know, if I'm gonna do that. Live coding, live stream, and like, what is our goals? Our goals is to have fun, work on client projects, and I'm gonna like leave it on the side maybe to understand for people who are just joining us, what are we doing and what is this stream goals. Stream goals. I like mind maps because it's like very flexible way of putting things together, and I use it daily. I'm a mind map freak. Like people are laughing at me basically at this point. We're gonna do some Google Analytics and all of that kind of stuff. So if you want to understand how all of these kind of things work, analytics, MailChimp, and all of these kind of tools for project management, I like ClickUp. So tools we're gonna see. And I'm gonna actually put the tools used on the stream. So let's say, okay, so paste for Mac, Restream.io, a very great service. What else is used on the stream? Break app. We just discovered. There was probably something else. I'm the only one who remembers everything, but I'm just putting what we've been doing before if you joined just now, which is also needed to be. And then stream schedule, stream to-do list. What I'm gonna do on this stream. So work on Laravel-based P2P lending system and discuss and answer your questions. And also I'm gonna work on WordPress server migration. So I'm like on this stream, probably it's not gonna be today because I'm probably gonna focus mostly on that. But I'm gonna make a stream where I will try to figure it out how to fucking make a WordPress fast on whatever server, because WP admin with WooCommerce and all of this kind of stuff is always slow. And I haven't seen a reasonable server setup. Sorry. I have never seen a reasonable server setup. I don't care like how much RAM and everything I have, how to make any shitty WordPress website run fast. I don't care. I have money. I don't want to like build and optimize all of the website. It's making money and it works well. I just need to make WP admin fucking fly. And this will be my goal. And this will be probably tomorrow. So this is probably, let's make a note, probably 05/0/27 tomorrow. Yeah, so we're probably gonna work on that. And I'm just gonna leave it out there right now. Eventually, I'm probably gonna share a link of it so you can see it like not on my screen, but yourself. If you want, if you're interested how mind maps can be built, and we can just build a very basic mind map in the beginning and work on it as we stream, basically, to make a full-fledged, interesting, interactive experience and the way of putting things very well. And also mind maps and dashboards. I love it, you know, Google Analytics. I love working with it because it's fucking like just dashboards and numbers, and I like that. Yes. So let's keep moving with everything we have planned to do. Yeah, it's a lazy night, quiet night. We have few viewers with us. So we've been streaming for like, what, 1 hour. So I don't know, like, what's the general statistic, how many people left and came. So far it's okay, no expectations. But I would like to have like at least 10 viewers so I can see which platform is driving in the most traffic, you know? So it's just kind of a live experiment. So I'm gonna check Facebook, maybe we can like figure out, okay, so we have like 2 likes, which is okay. We have like Arminas, a good friend of mine who's also a web developer. So if Arminas, if you ever want to come join and discuss like some random technological thing, we can do that. Yeah, I don't care. That's better than nothing. That's my calendar. Basically a bunch of stuff and shit I have to do over the day. So maybe I'm not gonna make it public, but you can just use Calendly and like book a meeting with me like anytime if you want to talk about any business, any development questions or anything like that. So yeah, this is where we are. Arminas, we have him in the stream. So yeah, just working along, and I thought, do some random shit, yeah, databases and shit. Let's start with like an easy thing for the starters. I need to create like this WordPress template website, which is super basic and super simple. So I'm just gonna do that, and people can laugh at me how random and like shitty things I do, or maybe I do them well. I don't know. It's personal opinions most of the time. Okay, so I do have everything. I have a template installed basically, which is, let's check it is, because I don't remember. I worked on this a few days ago, so I need to jump back in. So I want to work on this template Webify, and I need to create like an event website. Once I created something like that, which worked very well and made some reasonable money, you can check it online yourself. So it's just a template. I'm gonna like put it there. It's like nice countdown when it's not over event. Maybe we should change it for Diana, which is a nice, interesting girl. You can check her website out. I've spent some time working on it. It's not perfect, but it's a simple bootstrapped WordPress website to, for a person who does interesting things in life to help her establish online presence. So I want to make this into this. And I actually think with adding even some branding and shit like that, this can be done in what? Let's say we dedicated like 45 minutes for that. So 2 a.m. I want to have this. Let's save this password. And the only thing what is missing for me for it to work is like to make like one click demo plugin available. And I remember that this has some weird way of importing the content into this template, and I had trouble with it. Import demo data. Okay. And I want to import fucking template. Yes. Which template I want? I reviewed way too many templates in my life, and all of them were crap. So I will try to create something better than WordPress template in the future. Okay. So this is why I had this problem. I never ended it up. What are the other options? How I can, okay, so I need to like check logs, why this issue is happening. So what the fuck is this? B2B would something. I'm gonna expose my IP addresses and shit, but I'm gonna improve my security as the stream gets more popular so I don't get hacked. Don't hack me, guys, in the first 3 days of me streaming. I haven't set up all the secure SSH keys access. I use a lot of shitty and secure FTP server connections, so don't hack me. That's the only requirement if you want to be a viewer of this stream today. And what I'm looking for domains, and it's like events.b2bwood, and okay, we have logs. And error log, it's updated like fucking ages ago, like when I started working on it. So we don't have a log for that. Okay, continue to import. Like there was a problem importing your content. So what if I try to import something else? Import demo. Okay, I can like agree with something you want. Error like 0. And where do I get like a, do I need a plugin like WordPress log viewer? WordPress log viewer. Let's just try it. Pure luck, maybe we'll find something good. Error log viewer by Websoft. By best Websoft is a reasonable package contributor to WordPress, so I'll just install it. This is not a production website or anything, so it's completely okay. but I need to invent staging for this website, and having staging environments with WordPress is also always a challenge. So this is one of the challenges we will be solving at some point. So yes, log views. So where do I see you? Settings. Okay, let's go to settings. Okay, log monitor. Okay, enable something. Sure, enable save changes. Oh, so I have like Trackify, blah blah blah. Public HTML and the log, error log. I don't think it stores in the public, which would be stupid. Okay, so let's try to recreate the error and see if we see it in the error log. Drum roll, please. One of the many drum rolls during the day. Import demo data. Oh, fucking agent. Okay, so let's try to import the correct template, because then it downloads a bunch of pictures if we import something just for fun. What is this product landing? Maybe I want to use this instead. Let's try something new, maybe. You know, working with those templates is, it gets the shit done, you know? Not every website needs to be like built fucking from scratch with HTML and CSS. No need for that. A little bit too fancy for this event we're gonna have. Yeah, just let's try importing whatever we had in plan initially. This import demo, just in case it works. Yeah, visit site. So let's check the log viewer, and I don't really see log monitor. Crash report, database, something unexpected header. But it's like, what the fuck is this timestamp? Is it even a timestamp? Probably not. Probably not even a timestamp. So how the fuck I figured out what's wrong? Why I can't import the demo data? Let's think about it shortly. We have some vape. Maybe some vape company wants to sponsor me. I can smoke your vape on the stream because I smoke too much, but what you can do? And the fucking vape just died. So that's amazing news. Okay, great. Need like longer battery life for vapes. So okay, one-click demo doesn't work. So let's go to check the theme forest of this theme. And so it's like Webify. You can check it out yourself if you want. Product placement, hashtag product placement. Amazing product placement for any templates, any digital products you want me to talk about. We're gonna get some nice audience real fast, so yeah, jump in before it's too late. Okay, and my downloads and shit. And I want Webify. So this is all of the template and shit I own on the theme forest. You can check it out. We'll use some of those things as we go. Yeah, so what? Download. I download, let's check the documentation of this fucking nonsense. Because I would like you to work. The child theme, licensing, theme, plugins. Maybe I don't have some plugins that you want me. Like, let's see, like activate theme. Okay, that's good. And site health. Let's check a site health. Is like copy info. Okay, so it's good. It's good health and performance, security. You should remove inactive themes, remove inactive plugins. No problems about configuration. So I did this step you recommended me, but it's still not working. Import demos, demo import. Select a demo, crash. We might need to dig into the code of this theme I paid money for to fix this for ourselves, because it's obviously not fucking working. What is the version of this theme? Do we have a latest version? Theme details. Version 4.4. What I just downloaded. Theme. Webify. What is the version of the latest shit I downloaded? Style CSS. You can find the version in a style CSS every time. Fucking Sublime text. Style CSS. What is the version? 4.4. So we have absolutely latest version. And install plugins. What is this option? Maybe I don't have some required plugins. Okay, and we have like 3 viewers, which is almost the record we had. And the Facebook is the most popular platform so far where we have viewers from. So Facebook is winning. I definitely don't want to stream on Facebook. I would like to maybe stream on YouTube mostly, to be honest. I use YouTube myself mostly, and I watch anything on live streams. I usually watch YouTube, so I would like YouTube win. So share the stream on YouTube, and maybe we can do it. I like the channel Spiffing Brit. I remember he was posting about how we can okay, I need to appear in people's feed. I need to put some hashtags and stuff into my description. And it doesn't change my title, which I change on the restream. So we don't have a new title, which is okay. WordPress and Laravel workshop describes it pretty well. Live coding and live coding questions and answers about web development and product design together with product reviews and feedback sessions. Yep. So questions and answers, literally just that, and put some hashtags. Live coding. What is other good hashtags we can use? Hashtag research. So I put the hashtag live coding. Give me some ideas. Hashtagify me. Okay, another tool. I don't want Palestine hashtag, too controversial. Stop it. Web development. What kind of there's not enough data. So fuck. Coding. What do you offer me for coding? And I cannot scroll. I cannot scroll this website. Please fix it. Not a good tool. We're not leaving a review and a GitHub sponsorship for this product. Bad user experience. Jump Media. I don't want a guide. I want enter a keyword. I need to find a product. I enter a keyword. I get hashtag options. And it's not this. Okay, so let's not get too deep into that. Live coding, web development, Laravel, WordPress, and EIM solutions. Let's get, and mind maps. Mind maps, mind map. We always use a mind map somewhere on the side. So we just gotta include it and save changes. And can I pay $5 for YouTube to promote my stream? Go to video analytics. I never saw Google Analytics from the inside out too much. It's a good time to review it a little bit before we dig into all of this kind of nonsense that is fucking happening with the WordPress theme content import. And if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me anything. Yeah, not so easy to collect some audience. I literally thought that it's gonna be much more easier. I think I'm gonna ask some of my friends, just turn it on, and so it has more viewers, because now it shows there's 0 viewers. Random man on the internet, the best viewer I ever had. He's the only one who gave me a question and encouragement. And also Arminas, I don't know if he's still watching, probably not. Doesn't really matter. Comes and goes, and in my opinion, everything what exists just in this moment, basically. And live stream is a perfect example of this moment, I think. That's why I like it. And can I change my name from Eimantas Kaspervinas to something more understandable for anybody elsewhere? Banner image. Banner image, I know my favorite banner image, the leaf background I use on Facebook. Yeah, get some leaves on, viewable on everything. Amazing background, very flexible. Video watermark, I don't want this shit. So some YouTube live stream tutorial if you want. So if you ever want to launch a live stream like me. So yeah, I want to change my name. How I'm shown on YouTube. My currency is euros. So let's fix that for the future maybe. Keywords, amazing keywords. Live coding. Live coding. Web development. Q&A. Q&A is a good keyword. Q&A. Not a QAnon for sure. Q&A. WordPress. Mind maps, Laravel, HTML, CSS, of course, JavaScript. We touch all of those things. Get another keyword, Stack Overflow. Maybe if some people do Reddit review, maybe we can do Stack Overflow review if you're into all of that kind of development stuff instead of like fake memes and like literally stupid shit around the world. Community permissions, community moderators, approved users. No, that's okay. So yeah. Views, got 10 views in the last 28 days. So this is where we stand, and this is how popular I am for you just to understand. Sometimes I do music. I play drums, so maybe we'll do some drum videos in the YouTube. I have some drafts ready, but never really had an idea to share it. Yeah, I have some interesting videos for sure to collect the whole 0.4 hours, which is not really much. And how do I customization? Channel trailer for people? No, I don't want any subscribe, whatever. Featured video for no. Featured section. Yeah, sure, whatever. Some FIFA, some live coding, and just the live stream I have here, which is okay. Monetization. I need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours. So maybe we'll reach that on YouTube someday. 1,000 subscribers is a lot of. So I'm not gonna reach it in 14 days while I have live studio, but we'll see what happens. Change avatar. I don't care. I want to change my avatar to the same picture I use everywhere. Let's keep it consistent. Amazing. Done. Personal branding 101. Right in front of your eyes. 2 viewers. So depressing. Why there's only 2 viewers? No, it's not depressing. Things take time, and of course, you shouldn't be distracted by all of the instant gratification about Instagram shit and so on. But talking of that, can I stream this shit on the Instagram? Let's see. I don't want to close you. Platforms. No, dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Can I stream this on Instagram? Another question, add channel. There's a lot of shit. Get more power. Facebook and live, custom Akamai. Insta. What does Insta give? Insta give. So maybe some kind of implementation of streaming on the Instagram, because I mean it's not very well made for that, but whatever. We're not gonna stream on Steam until we start creating a game, right? 1 person watching. Better than nothing. Location Lithuania, manage videos, nothing else to do. And I cannot stream from Restream on Instagram, but that is okay. Let's check Twitter. Let's get distracted a little bit before we actually go doing some work. And then somebody gonna come on the stream. I'm not gonna work again, and I'm gonna fail my deadline. I hope it doesn't happen. Yeah, but let's just do it. Still 2 people total. And how do I know if something is happening on my okay, the Things Network. I like the Things Network. Great company, like Internet of Things and sensor data company, making the world more transparent, more open. I think they're more open source initiative. So let's see if we can shout out them with our non-existent GitHub. Okay, GitHub is amazing. I won a hackathon that was organized by them. And low-run devices repository, low-run stack server, and everything like that. And okay, I'm just gonna be the guy who goes around the internet and asks people, can you enable GitHub sponsorships? Because I wanna sponsor like you for $1, but we're gonna enable it, and maybe we're gonna get a little bit some more money for that. And yeah, hey, I was just checking you out on my live stream, and yeah, let's make a hashtag out of that, I guess. A good hashtag opportunity. I don't know how to use Twitter, but yeah, those hashtag opportunities are sometimes there. And was wondering if you would mind enabling GitHub sponsorships on your repo or repos. And let's drop a link with an amazing paste extension to our live stream, because I've just definitely copied that not so far a long time ago. Here it is. I don't need to go on YouTube and find it. Repos. I would like to support your initiatives as an open and transparent company. And this is like a character limit, so that is amazing. Game on. Yeah, let's go. The Things Network. I don't know why I ended up here, but you know, it's for all of us. Sometimes we end up in the dark corners of the internet. I don't know why I was going there. So now I'm gonna take a break again. Break timer. I don't need an app. I just need a website with a nice, like, okay. So short break. Time for a break. Tasks. Okay, we can use this as a task, but I don't want to use that as a task management. We do have a lot of things for task management, like ClickUp. So let's make. Can I make a custom break? Please. Why is this on GitHub? Can we add like custom break length on GitHub for this? This is the things in life I don't enjoy. Promo focus. Let's do it. Promo focus GitHub. Because I mean, this is an amazing tool, and I would like to have a custom like break, right? So I can set like it's for 7 minutes, and this is my break, and I used your tool and I promote it. Promo focus. There's a lot of forks of that for Android phones. So which one is the original? So okay, this is like 1 star. This is like 15 stars. But this is a mobile app. Okay. This is what? A fork? Okay. Hack Future Belgium Starter Basic Import Export. So this is a weird repo to branch out from. But what is Hacker Future Belgium? Maybe we want to do some collaboration for my upcoming hackathon stuff. Because if you want to take part in whatever hackathons and you enjoy that, I have some stuff in the future ready for you. But we will get down to that. This is just a first live stream. I'm just doing what I have to do. And so far, no questions or anything. So I'm just doing literally, where do I end up? Coding school for refugees in Belgium. Okay, so this is like a thing created by refugees. So that is amazing. So once again, I wanna, what is this? Irina Spiridnova. I wanna reach out on Twitter and ask, can I sponsor this repo? And can I make a pull request to it? And I won't take a break until I don't create a pull request for this Pomo Focus thing to make a custom like length shit. Because I think this is the main repo that we have. 3 contributors. Let's make sure we're working on the right thing, you know, because this can have some difference repo. And I know there's other tools that have it, but that was first on Google option that was reasonable to me, and I want to contribute to it. And let's just do some open source in here with 3 people watching me doing open source. I don't do a lot of open source myself, but I want to do more, and this is a great opportunity. So Pomo Focus, about you, made with love by Yuzu Works. Okay, this is the original author. And do we have in the contributors? Yuzu something. Abdul, Irina, I'm an indie developer, Tokyo, Japan. Mama focus. Okay. So it doesn't have a GitHub or anything, and it's made by a like Japanese guy. So this is something else. But I mean, like, what is the original? That is the question. I would consider this original. Maybe 4 stars on GitHub. Let's see, what do we have else? And I see a lot of people try to reverse engineer it and whatever. Hey guys, don't create like random forks of that. Create a pull request to actually improve this thing. You know, instead of like working on your own version, trying to reverse engineer it or hack it. So yeah, my goal is to make custom break duration here. But to be honest, I cannot be focused at this point, and I'm not sure if this is the correct. Let's see the source. Let's see the source, like how close they are. Time handler, what is the template files? Lib, public, assets, sound, no. Source, oh, it's just HTML, index HTML here. So what do we have? Like, do we have such a class? Is this like, how close do we are? Okay, so we do have this. Then do we have like footer sitemap container div? Okay, we do have that. And made with love by Uzu works. Okay, this is literally just a clone of that thing. And yeah, so this is probably not deployed to whatever, but we have like documentation and all the things like that, which is reasonable. Request a feature, where does it go? Okay, so new pull request, for example, compare changes, blah blah blah. Branch names are not perfect, but it wasn't so let's make some friends. Like maybe we just want to join along and do this live stream and like add like a few small features here and there once in a while. So we gotta work on this Pama Focus challenge to add a custom length functionality to it right now. And yeah, I'm taking a break and I'll be back to do this. And then I'm gonna try to meet my deadline, because I'm getting a little bit distracted on doing random things on the internet instead of doing things I need to do. So yeah, see you guys. Okay, so the break is over right there. So we even have 4 viewers, which is a record after the break. So what are we doing? We try to contribute to this open source project to add a custom duration for breaks, because I want longer break than 5 minutes, but shorter break for 15 minutes. So let's put it on our mind map to see that we are getting distracted. So let's make our mind map distracted, so then we can organize it, and then we can organize our mind. So contribute to this repository link. Let me copy it and let me paste it. Okay, contribute to add a custom duration for we need to add a custom duration for like timer. So okay, so this is like our to-do list. We're getting distracted, and like all of our focus is right to this now. But yeah, okay, and I wanna stack share. I wanna add like a nice picture to the mind map, and like using an Xmind, it's very simple. I just go on stack share because we have all the logos of like most of the tools I use, you know, because it's the website about that. And I just say copy image, and if it works the same way as paste. Okay, no. So can I insert an image? So the web version doesn't support images. Marker, show legend. So we support markers, and I have a pro version. So okay, so contribute to whatever. Let's make it this. I cannot add the pictures, obviously, so maybe somebody can tweet it. So I cannot like replace or do anything. I cannot add a custom picture here. Anyways, let's not get distracted. So first thing I want to do is I want to check it out with my GitHub, and yeah, I'm gonna do it in like what, PHP Storm projects and the new folder, Pomo Focus select. And let's do it in the root directory. It always fucks it up, adds extra folder for no reason. Okay, and I have this. I wanna reveal it in Finder, and I want to open to VS Code. So let's jump into some coding, and I want a new window. Let's host it up, and let's see what we have for this whole Poma Focus repository. How easily can we implement this extra functionality? I hope we can do it in 45 minutes. I said we're gonna do a WordPress website, but we forgot about it. Fuck that crap. That was our easy goal, and our easy goal is to contribute to open source package. I haven't worked ever before with. So let's see. I'm gonna spend, I don't know, 20 minutes on it, to be honest, to see if you can actually achieve something in a reasonable amount of time while doing this. If so, I mean, amazing. If not, yeah, life is life. What is like this GitHub Pages? Add new task. GitHub Pages, how I can see like this? Where are the GitHub Pages? View deployment. Oh, okay. So it's Irina something. Log, unleash gremlins, short break, long break. And like you already took it and did a bunch of things with it. But okay, I think it's like it's a worse fork of that, because I mean it doesn't really function. Time.js, and we have like a missing 404 for that validate HTML. We do have like validate HTML, but like the HTML is not even validated, so I don't think we're gonna dig into this package after just checking it a little bit better after the break. So okay, so I'll just delete this node and I forget about it. And yeah, to be honest, let's focus our work on working the peer-to-peer lending system with Laravel. Yeah, so this is our goal, to be honest, because this is the most important thing I have to do tomorrow. A lot of interesting meetings tomorrow, and we have a team. So I think if we're gonna stream more regularly, so you're gonna meet my team, 2 Chinese guys, a Serbian and Lebanese guy. They are great guys, so they always have questions how we do some things. So maybe you will meet them. We usually use like something like Slack for discussions, but you can see what more or less we are discussing. Pull request, like what do we do with this button, what do we do with our button. We're building a product also called B2B Wood, which is a bootstrap startup. It's like a LinkedIn for forest industry. You can check it out if you want. On this live stream, we will also be coding this crap in like this week, because B2B Wood and this website has to be launched this week, and I have nowhere to go, and this is a crazy goal, to be honest. So this is why I decided just to live stream. Maybe this will give me some extra push and extra energy and extra motivation just to focus on that and complete all of those things. And I don't need to tell to the clients, hey guys, like how is it going? Just check the live stream. You can see where we started and where we ended. So this is the two products and projects we're gonna work, and B2B Wood SaaS platform. B2B Wood SaaS platform. So I will have to figure it out, all of the things end to end, like Stripe billing, email sending, and all of those things. So if you're interested, you might want to continue watching for the next few days. Obviously, I'll try to put some timestamps. I will say I've never put timestamps on my live stream, but maybe somebody else will do it for the sake to know when what was happening on the stream. We're gonna do some Laravel, we're gonna do some WordPress, so different things might be interesting for different people. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to get like any comments from you in the chat, because that will make my day a little bit more interactive and interesting. Otherwise, I don't know like why it's even like you would watch if you wouldn't want to talk to me. Yeah, I have an application about my live stream for LinkedIn. We have 4 viewers, and Facebook is obviously winning. I don't want Facebook to win the viewing competition, but let's hope we can get a few more extra viewers in the next few coming hours, so we have more data to play around with. Yeah, I changed my keywords on the channel and some things like that. Where else I can share it? My first stream, where I can share it to like get my first stream rolling. I want to check Twitch. Twitch, I don't know what category we're in Twitch. I don't want to be in a gaming category, because people will never find it, and it's not gaming. So I don't play games, I do games, and life is a game. Okay, let's see, channel something, 0 followers, blah, blah, blah. How do I change a category to which I'm streaming on Twitch? So I'm learning all of the streaming stuff as we go also. So we will be doing a lot of YouTube and Twitch clicking around what button does what. So if you want, you can watch that. Channel, new profile, blah, blah, blah. I don't want this. Edit, broadcast options, category. Okay, real life. What is like a reasonable category on Twitch? What is a reasonable category on Twitch to like stream this kind of thing? If anybody has seen a stream on Twitch, fuck, shut up. Okay, so what, like the concert, what kind of category it is? English, soul music, but this is like tags, no? Search tags, yes. So this is tags, and what is their category? Bam baram. Anyways, let's go to see all the categories, to be honest. Just chatting. So yeah, sure. Just chatting about like computer science, web development, coding, WordPress. So I'm gonna be the only WordPress streamer in the live in Twitch. Yeah, sure, it's a good niche. If there's no competition for that, search, okay, it's gone. Just chatting, and web development, and nothing else. WordPress. So it doesn't allow me to add custom ones. So maybe I just want to create some new tags, for you guys, because obviously people can stream not only games, and web development is more than that. But sure, we have a category, we have a tags. Let's see like how far down the list we are on Twitch in general, if somebody wants to find us. So every time I lose, I take a shot. A great content to be competing against. Sure, a lot of girls. We have to beat a lot of girls. Line number break. So I mean, it's not that far away. Oh, okay. So 500 viewers and shit like that. And yeah, I mean, I don't know if it's popular on Twitch. We have a 1 viewer, but I guess it's just me who's the viewer on Twitch right now. And what is it? Like, what is my stream name on Twitch? Oh, web dev. There's nothing like web development. Okay, web development. So if I search for web development, do I find myself? Okay, so hey, there's some other people who are like doing this kind of stream, science and technology, basic program, science and technology. So is this a game, science and technology? They're streaming the game, science and technology. And how much of the stuff, such kind of live streams do you get? Yeah, let's broadcaster indicated, sure, mature audience for the win. What's this guy streaming? Let's check this guy's stream. I don't have any viewers.
Maybe it was a slide. That's fine. Okay. Sorry if I missed it, whoever it was. Yeah, damn right. That said, I need some water. I think I got some soda left. Oh, thanks, champion. But I'll be right back. Is it beverage time? Like, yeah, I had the little shot there. That's nothing.
Okay, so this streamer is like taking a break. So I'm gonna drop my chat URL here. So maybe you'll want to join. I just want to shut this thing up.
We should model everything based on that, right?
Right,
so we have our
channel.
User config model for this whole thing.
Sorry for all of the like.
Refactor what we have currently into that structure. And then from there, we have a little more room to start adding other, like, hey, let's open a tab with possibly some value from history if we can get it. I don't know if we found it, so I don't know. But I think that's our path forward. Right, so we have our data model. Hack it out, add some interfaces.
Development, shut up for a while. I want to focus about web development. And if you want to check me out during the break, I would be very happy. So let's try some some things. Like how we can get like at least 5 viewers. Do we have anything in the chat? Nothing in the chat for the last like an hour, so that's okay. I'm capable of handling that. And I mean, I feel sorry about those 2 people watching if it's not entertaining, but it shouldn't be my problem. If you want, you can watch. If you don't want, you don't need to watch if it's not interesting for you. So I shouldn't feel any pressure about that. Moderator deleted the message. And click to show. Balls, like, sorry about that promo if you're angry. Oh, so am I in like a first Twitch feud with someone? Yeah.
Just know that now it's going to be a real long time before I think it's worth rating it or anything like that.
I don't.
Right? Be a human being, man. Go into people's chats and hang out and chat. And eventually it might come up that you stream or something. You don't
Okay.
want to be banned. Oh, that's fine. Cool.
I'm new
no worries.
to this. I just
Yeah, but,
want you people
yeah, man.
join my chat, so I have like
Very shady.
no, you
I
can
think you
check
know.
my stream and we can discuss something interesting. Let's do a collab.
Wait a minute. Oh shit! Oxford. Sorry. No, you're good, man. I clicked the wrong one.
Oh fuck! I just got banned from. I just got.
Oxford, I'm so sorry. I totally clicked the wrong button there.
Oh, it's
It
alright.
was moving too quick. You guys are too fast for me. All right. I don't got the reflexes I used to have.
Okay. Fucking hell. Okay. So I have 30-minute ban on this
Yeah.
guy's chat. But it's a fun experience.
Dude. What the fuck? We meet all sorts of people here on Science and Tech. It's pretty fun. Yep, for sure. Collateral damage.
Okay. So this is my first
Yeah.
Twitch argument
I'm
with the
sorry,
community.
I'm sorry.
It's not good to promote your
Please.
stream before a break for someone else.
On that note, I'm gonna go grab a whiskey for sure.
Okay. I
just-
might need some whiskey too. We
Yeah.
didn't get any viewers from that
It
guy.
was entertaining at least, so that was fun.
And that was entertaining for me also, man. So yeah, better than nothing. Anyways, so now I do have some viewers from that stream we just got into argument with, and I just wanted to be very transparent, and this is my first ever live stream. And if you're coming from like CF Griffing, yeah, I stream for 1 hour and I get in the first Twitch drama. I guess it's a success, but what are we doing here? We're working with Laravel, doing some code along and like some web development discussion stuff and everything. And now I have like 5 viewers, which is a record I ever had. And I mean, if you're just interested in anything about chatting and so on, I'm just working along because I have to meet 2 deadlines by the end of the week. And I just stream as I work. And if you want, you can join. If you don't want, no need to join. I'm totally honest, and I have nothing wrong to do with that other guy. I just wanted to see what kind of other stuff people stream on Twitch regarding like development and everything. So what I do here, like maybe take some inspiration of, because I never did a live stream. I never watched somebody to do a live stream of the coding development. But yeah, first Twitch drama, great success. So on that note, I would like to get maybe some messages into the chat to get some things going. Yeah, what is it like offer if I enter like web development into the Twitch? That was I was checking and I found like CM Griffin like chat, and I decided just to drop a message. I got banned from the chat, but I'm working on a completely honest basis here, so I don't feel like I did anything wrong. There was a small misunderstanding. If somebody wants to like drop him line a chat, don't be angry. Feel free to do so, but you obviously don't have to do that. They said it's shady, but yeah, sure. I'm just trying to establish some small audience and then just keep working and doing things I do on my life. So let's not allow that to disturb us. I can say that the experiment was a success, even though my message got deleted and I got banned from chat for trying to have a discussion with him about that. Oh, I don't want to do any promotion. So I got the 4 viewers, which is a record number of viewers on Twitch we ever had, and 5 viewers. So yeah, great start. And yeah, don't hack my credentials, guys, because I have a lot of credentials on this stream with configuration files and everything. So yeah, don't hack me for next 3 days, and then I'm gonna figure out all of the security things and all of that. So yeah, we are up for some fun ride. I need to implement some fucking stupid functionality with some payment gateway on this project. So let's get it started. what do I need actually to do? I don't know what I need to actually to do. Let's watch our dashboard. What we have here, you basically can invest into stuff in here and like get some return and whatever. But I don't even have a proper seed data. So if I click on the random investment, it doesn't work. I have to know one specific thing. So one of the things to improve on this project, generate a good seed data. You know, I have to show this to like a Lithuanian bank, and we have to approve it. Yeah, it's like a financial institution. So I don't know. Let's check Nova. What about the data in there? Because this project uses Laravel Nova for the backend administration, and we have like loans and shit like that. So if you're interested in like how things are built, you want to learn about that, or you want to maybe suggest me do like something better, man. Interest rates. Create interest rate. Minimum investment of 1,000 gives you interest of 20%. Let's go. Loan and I don't want to. This loan is fucked up. I want to delete it. Delete, and loan number 29. Let's work with this one. Interest rates. Loan is 29. No, 5. ID is 5. And do I have interest rates in here? Okay, so there is some like fucked up shit on the JavaScript end. Okay, I need to build it. npm run watch. And I work in the release branch, which should be okay as far as I imagine. Let's see if it helps. Anyways, riding the wave of success of 4 viewers on Twitch, which is amazing start. And we had like our first friend, the best viewer ever you can imagine for a first stream is like random man on the internet. He said, it's hard to start, keep doing it, man. So I'm just doing it. Okay. It's still building, something's happening, and great success. We have JavaScript working, so we have all the user interface and shit like that functioning. And I want to invest like what? I'll invest 100, so it's easier for me to do calculations on like what should go where. And okay, interest rate ID doesn't have default value. So yeah, and this is what we do. How do we debug this? What to do when I get like some random error like that. So let's go on the code base for now. And interest rate something. Create investment stable, blah blah blah. Let's migrate the database. Migrate. And I actually want to take a break right now, but I will be a real scum if I took those viewers from that other guy who was taking a break, and I'm gonna go on break myself. So let's just keep doing what we're doing. Create, add foreign table, unsigned integer, create investments table. Interest rate ID. Okay, interest rate ID, and what is the action? We go with this form. On the Laravel end, let's check form, invest loan ID. So let's check our route. What did that correspond to? /invest /loan ID post investor investment controller store. Investment controller store. Okay. So we do have database transactions done by Vukasin, the other team member who's working on this. Which is great. But let's see, interest rate ID for investment. So let's see, loan, we find a loan. Amazing index function on the way. Okay, we have like comments and everything. I love Vukas and he does a very good job. You're gonna meet him if you're gonna watch streams later on. He's just a great developer from Serbia. I work with people from all around the world, so the topics and the geography gonna be really international. I'm myself from Kaunas in Lithuania, but I mean during the day I reach out to people in all the continents basically, just to get some websites done, basically. Okay, validation. And we have a investment. So if the investment doesn't exist, let's create that. And we are lacking interest rate ID, whatever applies to this, because interest rate ID can be different based on the amount of money you make. So this is obviously not updated, but I want to check GitHub first. Maybe there's some updates in the branch of other developers. And how do I see like inventor dashboard, like where we made a stupid mistake, and it's like 9 days ago, and my branch release v1 is like 6 days ago. So yeah, oh fuck. So I haven't worked on this for 6 days, and that means I'm pushing my deadline, which is not good. So we're gonna work on that today. And if you're just interested for watching along, go ahead. So yeah, now, but yes, okay, so we don't have that variable here. So basically what I need to do, we create a new investment, and we need to create add interest rate ID based on amount. Okay. Investment ID, and then the error I got is interest rate. Oh, it's okay. Interest rate ID, yes. So we know we assign, what is the interest rate here? 0. We know what is the investment, and we know what is the transaction. Oh, but I never assign interest rate ID for that. And it's never assigned anywhere else. And it's just calculated on the front end. So we need to implement similar logic on the back end, because this is using like Alpine.js or something like that. I didn't work on this, but basically you can see some Alpine.js stuff in here that happens to like calculate whatever is the interest rate. And yeah, I should find that front-end code which is responsible for that part. So yeah, we're gonna do some digging in, and yeah, so Twitch is winning. So this stream is also a test stream to see on which platform we're gonna stream the most. So yeah, we lost all the viewers in Twitch. We just had before after checking out, and yeah, if you have any comments or questions, not necessarily about work, you can ask. Okay. What else do we have here? Yeah, we have a live stream on here. And likes. So Twitch is winning. So okay, great. Yeah, so maybe I'm gonna move everything to the side and leave the space for the mind map of like what is the stream about for people who gonna join here. And oh, so the guy we got banned by. Let's see what he's working on. I want to see like what he's working on in here. Like there's some crappy like JavaScript, like TypeScript and everything. Chrome tabs removed. So he's creating some kind of extension or whatever. Bits, zipped. So he's probably creating his website to display how many bits he gets, whatever it is. I'm not really familiar with the concept of bits on Twitch. I think I found a solution to a history problem. Apparently, you can do a blank search and returns everything. Yeah, so I mean, when you use like such a crappy tool like TypeScript and like all of this React nonsense, you're gonna need to search for solutions for like obvious and simple, straightforward actions. So yeah, my goal is not to overcomplicate things a lot of times in my life, and maybe I'm not so hacker like he is, but I try to get the shit done. Of Oxford U. Can you just look at see what is still open? I was going to say that. So okay, so he's trying to like fuck with some history to determine what is happening on the browser from the extension. Probably. Yeah, this is probably what he's something doing. But anyways, writing a browser extension and bot that allow chat to rearrange my tabs and more. Okay. So it's an interesting concept he's doing live, and actually props to him. I'll drop a follow to him because I like him. He's my inspiration, and he's the first example of the other code streamer we have. So that's nice. So I followed him, and what? I can do some kind of like free Prime subscription, I guess. Yeah, start a free trial. What do you want me to do on like Amazon Prime trial? Free 7-month trial, Prime Gaming, whatever. I don't really use Amazon, so I don't need this stuff. But yeah, all good. Chrome extension samples. Okay, so he's learning the ways. Ah. And I just got on his notification screen about that, even though I'm banned from chat. So that's great news. That's all right. Let's choose script the Google Chrome GitHub. Let's see if anybody recognizes us in the script in the chat about the whole thing. We do have. I just followed him, and yeah, he shouldn't be angry about it. Anyways, just watching the other people watch, because on this stream you just watch what I actually do, what I want to do, and if you're interested, you can watch and do the same things together. Let's choose the script on the Google Chrome GitHub. Go back to the API page, blah blah. Okay, I didn't get recognition for just following that guy who straight out banned me. Is it like even possible to like? Oh, so I'm banned from chat, so I cannot like send like this fake coins, whatever here. What is this coins in general? Like 300 bits, 3 euros, fucking microtransactions everywhere nowadays in life. But maybe we'll develop some microtransactions ourselves. Okay, so we are where we are. So I'm taking a break right now, and I'll be back in some time. Break timer online. Can I find something simple, or maybe somebody can offer me whatever tool? What is easy to use? Okay, reset. Short break, long break. So with Pomodoro, they follow their logic of like 5 or 10-minute breaks is the only way, and we don't have a custom timer. And I want to find an open source tool and contribute it and add some nice useful features to that, just to contribute for the open source. And let's leave it here, our live coding stream, and let's put some code on the screen for people who will be coming and to understand what we're doing here. So yeah, I'll be back, and let's pause the I'm gonna cut the video for a while because it's like a slow part of the stream. So nothing much is happening. I'm ordering food and just, I don't know, trying to get into the zone because I'm not in the zone for development right now, and I need to get into it to make my deadline happen. So yeah, trying to wait for some food. Ordering food is a good idea. Okay, so we have like the whole Trello board or whatever we are doing, and we're doing it in Angular. Well, an interesting choice of things. Yeah, but Angular is okay actually. Coolie or Seattle open source. What kind of open source things do you do? Filter OBS plugin, Gun Echo Conference. Yeah, I mean, if you have some good idea and you want me to build something for some kind of idea you have, it might be cool to do that. Yeah. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I've cut my video for a while just to get chilly a little bit. What's notifying me? Yeah, I want to download for Android. I do it online. I don't want to go take my phone to create a profile like this. But it's only for mobile. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't like mobile apps too much, but it would be nice to have a page to put all of the links together. Whatever. Let's see what's happening on Twitter. Maybe we got some responses to all the tweets we've sent out today. Not really. I think something should pop up here if anybody likes anything or whatever we do. But I think we're gonna do more and more Twitter like as we go. So yeah, tweets and replies. Okay. Yep, that is okay. That is okay. And I mean, this was like the intro stream, and I'm not really sure if I want to stream all of this thing I'm gonna do here. But definitely there will be more streams of whatever me doing. So this was like an intro stream, and I think I'm gonna take a longer break, focus up, and maybe I'm gonna come back later to stream. Maybe I'll just do it. Maybe I'll go to sleep. I don't know what will happen. So I guess like for the first stream, 2.5 hours is a good piece of content to understand what are we doing here in the future, where are we moving, and what is the future. We can like I will read the news during the day, and we can do a news review. Let's read something in English, for example, so it's like better for international audience. But yeah, we're gonna have this video on YouTube. We will see, maybe get some likes or like views, maybe not, but I'm gonna stream for 2 weeks more or less, at least 3 hours a day if possible. And yeah, this is what we're gonna do, and so on. And yeah, if anybody is watching has any questions before I sign off, feel free to go. But other than that, I think 2.5 hour stream, and the initial stream of just my face before I figured it out how to do a stream. It's also on YouTube, so that was like 15 minutes. So yeah, we have 3 hours of stream, and I think this is a good amount of time to spend some time. It's good to understand how much time we can spend on doing certain things, because I definitely don't have a power of estimation to always get it and always like it and get into the zone. So I think streams can be a very good motivational thing for me. Just I'll start a stream, so I will be able to do something. And fuck, I want to go home, and I ordered food to my office. So now I can't go home. So probably I'm gonna stream for an hour, 20 or 30 minutes, do something. Because yeah, I cannot go home or change the delivery address. Can I call the guy who's delivering it? It's like not that far away, but we will never find each other if I go back home. So yeah, anyways. What else would I like to check out right now? What could be beneficial and interesting? I don't know. I don't really have many more ideas what I can do. Can I publish this mind map and share it? Get share link. Continue. And so I cannot embed it, but I can get a Google Drive link. Yeah, sure. I won't share it in this first stream description. It's not relevant, to be honest. There was just a few people watching, but I'm gonna have it for the future. We're definitely gonna share this with everyone, and we're gonna just update it and keep track of what are we working on the stream. So when you tune in or join or log out, you can understand what are we doing. So yeah. Feel free to check my website. It basically tells everything what I do. You can check and understand what I'm responsible about. What do I do? So like let's do a nice presentation of my mind map about me, which is I use a mind map as a website, which I like because it serves the purpose very well. You need my phone number, here it is. You need my email here. You want to talk with me, just do it. And I think it's a good concept of building websites. And I want to invent a new user experience concept to build websites in general. And in the future, probably on those streams, also, I want to create a NextMind CMS where we basically manage the content from the mind mapping tool. And it builds the website according to what you write, because design systems and consistency is always the answer. And I think Xmind, as an open source software, can be very beneficial for me to change the way how people present information online. So that is like my long-term goal and kind of my passion project right now. We will see how much passion we can find and get for it. But yeah, this is more it for now. And this was the first stream, live coding stream with EIM. We didn't do too much coding today, to be honest, but let's hope there's going to be more in the future. So yeah, great start, great interesting beginning, and thank you all for watching.